I saw the bullet coming. Wish I had one more night to run it. My city, my fans, they still love me, but I left too soon, it's ugly, yeah. Street lights flicker, I was chasing dreams. From the block to the stage, I was on big screens. Never thought the night would cut my story short. Now I'm just a legend that they still support. I regret the pain, regret the tears. Wish I gave my people more years. Every show, every word, every song, I was trying to prove we get all we had. I saw the bullet coming. Wish I had one more night to run it. My city, my fans, they still love me, but I left too soon, it's ugly.
Stay focused, little bro. Don't let guns or violence take your future. Put that energy into something real. Music, hustle, family. Keep grinding. Keep your head up.
Yeah, I hear the voices, they still chant my name. From Chi-Town blocks to the Hall of Fame. I was built for war, but I dreamed of peace. Now I'm gone, but my music won't cease. I ain't perfect, but I gave my all. Every rise comes with a fall. If I could rewind, I'd stay alive, just to keep my fans and my dream alive. I wish I saw the bullet coming. Wish I had one more night to run it. My city, my fans, they still love me, but I left too soon, it's ugly, yeah.